LineArt Originals. SilveFast 8.0 scanning software is used for this demonstration. There are two desktop scanners available to use in the School of Art. The scanners are located in two locations. 1. MACLab Room 330, Production Suite 332G. 2. Touch A, Room T145, School of Art, Photo Finishing Room. Each can scan reflectives, film positives, and film negatives. Film holder sizes available are 35mm slides, 35mm strips, 4x5 film and medium format film. Reflective original scanning. Each scanner has a reflective document mat. The reflective document mat must be installed in order to scan a reflective original. The reflective document mat can be found already installed in the scanner or in the storage pocket located on the top of the transparency unit. How to install the reflective document mat? There are notches on top and bottom of the reflective document mat that slide in the top and in the bottom of the transparency unit on the scanner. Insert the reflective document mat top edges first. Make sure that the mat's white surface does not slide under the frame of the transparency unit. Insert the tabs along the bottom edge to hold the reflective document mat in place. LineArt scanning. Place the LineArt original face down on the scanning glass. Position the LineArt original at the top left corner against the transparency guide. Close the transparency unit cover. Step 1. Open SilveFast Scan software. Step 2. Select reflective. Step 3. Select positive. Step 4. Select output color to 16-1 bit. Step 5. Do a pre-scan of your image. Step 6. In this example, we will name the image as Lion Image. Step 7. Select or create a folder to save the scan into. Step 8. Set LineArt to scan at 1200 dpi/ppi per inch. Step 9. Size the image selection to print size. In this example, it is set at 150%. Step 10. Crop to your preferred selection. Step 11. Click on Scan. Step 12. Review image in Photoshop. Step 13. Check on sizes and resolution through Image-Image Size.